Our objective for today is to understand that the objects that are electrically charged pulls or pushes on all other charged objects, and that this can result in motion. So we are going to learn that any object that are electrically charged, they will be pulling or pushing other charged objects, and that will result in a motion, something like this. So today but before we start any experiments or any investigation, we will be learning the vocabulary. So the new vocabulary for today will be static electricity, negative charge, positive charge, attract, electrons, protons, repel, atom. Now this picture you will be getting at the end of the slide also, so you will have to go through it. Okay, now this is an atom. So we will be learning all about atoms now. An atom, a piece of atom is a piece of matter. Everything in the universe is made up of matter. So what is atom? It is nothing but matter. Now the atoms have protons and electrons. They also have neutrons, but we will be focusing only on protons and electrons. Protons are positive charge and electrons are negative charge. Please remember this. Protons, they carry positive charge, electrons carry negative charge. Neutral object. What does it mean by neutral object? It's an object that has an equal amount of each charge, equal amount of protons and electrons. So that object will be called neutral object. Attract, pull together. Repel, push away. Static electricity. What do you mean by static electricity? It is a charge that is produced by friction which cause spark or attraction of dust or hair. So when we rub two things together, a charge will be produced, okay, which will cause a spark or it will cause an attraction. That charge is called static electricity. Okay, this is an atom. It is made up of neutrons, protons, electrons, as I told you earlier. But we are going to be focusing only on protons and electrons. And remember, the electrons are outside the protons. Okay, they're in the outside field. What all matter? What is all matter? The all matter in the universe is made up of atoms. That is atoms. What is matter? Matter is anything that can be touched physically. We have done matter in the last chapter. The protons and the neutrons, if you can see, are in the center of the atom called nucleus. Now we are not going to go into all this detail. You will be learning this in detail in grade 5. Okay? You just have to know about the protons and the electrons. The electrons fly around in a small cloud. Electric charge. Electric charge is the physical property of matter that causes it to experience a force. Now, like we had studied earlier about the physical properties of matter, another property is electric charge. So if it experiences a force, it causes it to experience a force, we say it has got electric charge. And there are two types of charge, positive and negative. When is this electric charge produced? When do you get this electric charge produced in the matter? when we rub two things, right? So when a matter loses or gains an electron, a negative charge, okay? So when we are rubbing two things together, the matter will either lose or it will gain negative charge. All right? This is the picture. Now, I have assigned a vocabulary worksheet in Schoology. So you will complete it. And if you have any questions regarding the vocabulary, we can have we are having a meeting in Zoom, so you can question me there. Okay, anyway, I'll be discussing this in detail with you all. I hope you'll have understood. Thank you.